Hello my friends, welcome back. Yep, it's me. Hello, everybody home? Alright, hello everyone, it's me again. Here I am in a good oldie 2008 Toyota Tacoma SR5 with 4x4 V6 and 4x4, and once in a while it's good to get back to the oldie and experience the oldie goody. I call it oldie goodies. Tacoma, Toyota Tacoma, Toyota icon for pickup truck. Even though it's older model 2008 with 165,000 miles on it, but it's still driving very good. Suspension is still good, no bouncy or worn out or anything. It's still no noise. It's driving, it's good. V6 power still there, still working. So yeah, even though it's even though it has some miles, but it still drives very good though. I just have a little squeak there on heavy braking, but that's normal for the older car with some miles. The acceleration is still decent for 2008. Now we're kind of like shifted with the still good there. The power is transmission's shifting good though. Wow, good job Toyota. I mean, Toyota's been like, the quality and the cars and truck quality has been pretty high up there. So when we buy a Toyota, we would expect it's last us a long time quality, and Toyota reliable, so we can expect that. Now come to Toyotas, and then if you like other trucks or company or brand, if you Toyota fan, you'll find it very familiar when you get from one car to another. Like this one, it's 2008, but it still look pretty familiar. Even though it's a 2008 compared to the newer one, you will find its similarity on the setup, like general setup inside the interior. Power window over here, control switch over here, door locks switch, power mirror switch over here, steering wheel cruise control switch down here right under the steering wheel. Then cluster gauge is big and easy to look at, and symbol like RPM, speedometer, temperature, fuel gauge, and a shift indicator over there. On this side over here, this car comes with a 4x4 system, so you can just you know, switch it with the switch right here, and it's all electronic, so it'll do the switching auto for you. Then like switch it to 4 high, you want to get to the 4 low, just push the button and turn, and I'll go to the 4 low. Then when I go to the 4 low, I'll show you the 4 low. It'll flash and it'll let you know that hey, I'm in 4 low. And then over here we have the very classic AC control, you know, big and bulky you know, control knob over there. Then up here, this one has been upgraded to aftermarket radios. Come with a Kenwood radio, so it's looking good. Very simple setup in here. So now let's go check out the exterior. Very nice and simple. So good in blue, good looking. It's got Tacoma, Toyota Tacoma V6 SR5. This one comes with a snug top. It's a snug lid cover for the bed. It's good looking oldie. Still love it. Then check back here, we have the rear seat. It's very nice setup. Now this looks simple. Check out the interior, the rear seat. It's got a, this one come with the gloss seat, so I mean, it still have a decent amount of pad. Get about like 2 inches away from my knee, and it still have decent amount of room. Not a lot, but it's good enough for someone like around 5'10", 5'7", around there. Still comfy. And then the roof, you know, you have decent amount of height in the cap right here. So yep, it's decent. And then let's check out under the hood. Yeah, under the hood here we got a 4.0 V6 VVTi on the Toyota variable timing system. Looks pretty decent down here. If you want to work on it, it looks like very roomy to get to. Alright, welcome back to the driver's seat. Let's go. follow. Goodie's working good. The 4x4 system working flawlessly, even though with the 160 plus 1,000 mile on it. Still good, still good. Braking is decent, not the strongest one, but it does decent. I have to put a little more effort to slow down a vehicle, but it works. I mean, I like it though. It's just decent. It's a good oldie. So yeah, so I like it. What do you guys think? Like, this oldie still looking good? I like it. So thank you for coming. Thank you for checking this out with me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time.